Hello guys, welcome to Creative Projects. Today I am going to show you how to add shadow effect in any shape, image, and text. So here is my shape which I want to add shadow effect. First of all, select this shape and go to Effects tab. Now select Stylize and then select Drop Shadow. As you can see, the shadow effect is applied. Here are some settings for change the opacity and direction of shadow. This value is used for increase and decrease the opacity of shadow. This value is used for change the left and right direction of shadow. This value is used for change the up and down direction of shadow. And this is used for change the blur value of shadow. After setting these values, click on OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy this video, then like the video and subscribe my channel for short, quick and easy tutorials.